Now, in order to understand the seerah, as I said, you don't begin with the birth of the Prophet ﷺ. You must begin with the world at his time. And that is why every single book of seerah, from the most classical books up until the modern ones, they have a number of introductory sections, and we're going to begin with that today, after we summarize some of the benefits of studying the seerah. Why study the seerah? Why should you be interested in the seerah? Why spend our time coming here and understanding the seerah of the Prophet ﷺ? Well, the benefits are numerous. First and foremost, Allah has commanded us to know this man. This is an obligation that Allah has put upon us. We have to know this person. And there are over 50 verses in the Qur'an that command us to take the Prophet ﷺ as an example. Of them, لَقَدْ كَانَ لَكُمْ فِي رَسُولِ اللَّهِ أُسْوَةٌ حَسَنَةٌ لِمَنْ كَانَ يَرْجُو اللَّهَ وَالْيَوْمَ الْآخِرَةَ وَذَكَرَ اللَّهَ كَثِيرًا. لَقَدْ كَانَ لَكُمْ, indeed there is for you, فِي رَسُولِ اللَّهِ, in the Messenger of Allah, أُسْوَةٌ حَسَنَةٌ, an exemplary manner, a perfect conduct. Uswa means something you follow. Hasana means a perfect. So you have in the Prophet ﷺ the perfect example to follow. And therefore, the study of the life and times of the Prophet ﷺ is the study of somebody we need to follow. And the amazing thing, no matter which angle you look at the life and times of the Prophet ﷺ, you will benefit from that. So no doubt, the number one angle we look at it in terms of religion, in terms of how we worship Allah. Also we look at the seerah in terms of manners and morals, in terms of mercy and tenderness. Also we look at the seerah in terms of leadership. What did the Prophet ﷺ do as a leader? We look at the seerah in terms of how he was as a father and a husband. And we will find benefit in this. So no matter which angle you look at the life and times, the purpose of Risala, the purpose of Allah sending prophets, is that we have a living example to follow. Allah tells us in the Qur'an that if we had wanted, we could have sent angels. There's a verse in the Qur'an that if we had wanted, we could have sent angels. But what would you have done if we had sent angels? You would have rejected. لَكَذَّبْتُمْ, you would have rejected it. Why? Because you would have said, we can't be like that. These are not our species. How can we follow them? So of the perfection of Allah's wisdom is that He sends human beings, flesh and blood, people like ourselves, born of women, married and having children, just like us. But the difference is they are chosen by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and they are made role models and examples.